Hello, and today we're going to be playing Boom Beach, Episode 1. I haven't really started anything. Let me turn it down a bit. Might be able to hear me now. Had that problem once. Definitely need to talk a little louder. Today, I'm going to be attacking. Just started the game. Now, all I did was a tutorial for the residents' houses. Don't even have any walls. Or whatever they're called, barricades. I don't even know. Let's supply dump. Mr. Luigi. Who's him? Scout. Mr. Luigi. Mr. Luigi has too good. Scout. Nope. Find new opponent. Assassin. Scout him. No. Not even close. Might have to go for just supply dump or clean cut. Scout that. Clean cut I could handle. Definitely handle that. 3, 2, 1. Attack. Okay. Now, I think I might want to drop a bomb right about in the middle here. It does not do splash damage. Okay, so put you guys there. You guys there. We dribble here. Just want everyone to power up. Here we go, movers. Okay, more's down. Now all I have to do is wait for my troops to get rid of Snipe Tower. Come on, I don't want a very long video. Not too. You guys will get bored. Come on. Come on. He's so close. No. No. That's not good. I received nothing. God. Guess. Okay. I guess I'm done. Yeah. Okay. I guess the video is over. Goodbye.